Hey there everyone, welcome back to the movement. Today I'm excited to share that after months of testing, I have finally gotten over the $0 earnings on Swagbucks and made some passive income. Yes, I was doing nothing when I started earning. If you have been watching my videos about Swagbucks, you would know I was struggling to make any sort of money with Swagbucks. Despite some of my viewers sharing their success stories and tips, nothing seemed to work. But while doing nothing, I realized what is probably the best way to earn from Swagbucks. And with this, you can earn thousands of dollars, even though this is not typical on Swagbucks. So, for those of you that don't know, Swagbucks is a website that allows users to earn points called Swagbucks for completing various online activities such as surveys, playing games, shopping online, doing posts, etc. These points can be redeemed for rewards, such as cash through PayPal or a wide variety of gift cards from retailers like Amazon, Apple, eBay, Walmart, or Starbucks. Swagbucks is a legit platform that has been around since 2008 and has a large user base. It has paid out over $800 million to its users, and it has a good track record for actually paying its users. So, I won't keep you waiting any longer. Here's how you and anyone else from anywhere around the world that is eligible for Swagbucks can earn passive income. All you have to do is leverage the power of referrals. Wait, before you go and say that this is not for you, it is really pretty simple, and you won't have to force anyone to sign up. You should know that this is how people really make money from Swagbucks. First, you should know that for each person you get to sign up, you will receive a bonus. This varies anywhere from $3 to $10, and the person you get to join will also get a joining bonus. But not only that, you will get 10% of that person's earnings for life. So just to make things a little clearer, if you get one person to join and that person earns $1,000, you get $100 without lifting a finger.
Nice.
Now, how can we achieve this without forcing people to join? You don't have to do this step by step, but this is my recommended method and it works perfectly. So firstly, you want to sign up. If you haven't done so already, use my link in the description so you can get that bonus. Next, you're going to want to build your success story. You can do this by playing games. Some of my viewers have said that this is one of the best ways to earn money quickly on Swagbucks. Or you can sign up for a service you always wanted to sign up for and get paid big. But you can also shop online and get cashback, do surveys, etc. After you have earned a few $100, you're going to share your success story along with your link on all your social media sites, whether it is Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, or TikTok. You can even get your friends and families to join and play games together, completing them even faster. Now, here's one of the best parts. You do this once and it will be there for life. Anyone that goes on any of your pages will be able to see them, and they will possibly join, and guess what? Everyone and their grandma is trying to earn an additional income. And once you have built an active referral network, you will see the money rolling in with no effort. After doing some research, I learned that some users are earning a steady passive income, which has not only covered their bills, but also provided financial stability and peace of mind. It is incredible to see how something as simple as referrals on Swagbucks can lead to life-changing results. Some additional tips. Stay active on Swagbucks, at least in the early stages. Complete tasks, maximize your earnings. Promote authentically and share your real experiences and success stories to encourage others to join. Provide support and tips to help them earn more, which will benefit you in the long run. Utilize your online presence to reach a broader audience. Lastly, be patient. Building a strong referral network takes time, so don't get discouraged if results are slow initially. Tell us your thoughts in the comment section, and if you have already used Swagbucks, share your experience so we can all learn and earn. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Until next time, live good, think good, and make good money.